fast food in this van yet, and I'm feeling like a burger. I know it costs a little bit of money and all that kind of stuff, but I'm just feeling like a burger before I get a copyright strike there. But I'm feeling like a burger, and yeah, I haven't got to go through a drive-thru yet, so we'll go through the drive-thru and get some food here at the Jack in the Box. Or here in the next couple of days, I'm going to go get an oil change on this, get all the fluids checked and filled and all that kind of stuff. That's what I want to do this next week. So, and get the brakes checked and all that kind of stuff, and see what I've got to do on there as far as that kind of stuff goes. So hopefully this mount works pretty well where it's at. It looks like it's going to, so I think this is going to go together well once I can get it going together well. But it's going to take a little bit. It's going to take a little bit of time to get everything together. Take it out for a little drive today. I haven't went out today. I came out earlier and did the mount video. I figured I go take you on a little drive today, and I want to go out tomorrow and get the stuff tomorrow sometime during the day. More than likely to get some brakes done on this. So I'm trying to get an appointment at like Midas or one of those places that does oil changes but also does brakes, so I can figure out what it needs, what the cost's going to be and everything. And I've done brakes before myself, but let me tell you, it's a lot easier to let somebody else do them. And with the age of this and everything, it's probably going to need a little bit more work than just throwing some pads on, I'm guessing. So I want to get all the prices for all that kind of stuff, but that's the kind of stuff that I've got to figure out before I can even go anywhere. So it's going to be a little bit till I figure that stuff out, but it's something that I gotta deal with, you know. It's something that I gotta deal with. But yeah, I thought I'd just take you guys with me just to go get some food real quick. If it turns into nothing, it turns into nothing. It's kind of like a pretty sunset-y type of thing going on. It's kind of cool. But this is hard for people to understand, or maybe even believe or whatever. But I basically, you know, other than that little bit of trip that I got to take last year, I basically been in the same house 24/7, you know. And this last year, I know a lot of people have been doing that, but I mean, like, I've really been in the house. Like, most people at least get out to go grocery shopping or whatever. I haven't even been doing that. Like, it feels really nice just to go out, even if it's just to go down the road a couple of minutes just to go grab some food, right? It's a lot better feeling situation. So that's why I said I'm not necessarily in a hurry, and I'm not even sure if I'm going to even trash that headliner, because I do have those tapestries, and so I'm almost thinking of maybe getting the foam off of this, maybe scraping the foam off of it and gluing one of my tapestries to it and then putting it back up, or at least using it for a thing. I don't know. That's an idea. But yeah, I'm gonna pull in here, get some food. I don't know if you guys have a Jack in the Box by you, or if you've been to a Jack in the Box, but I have to say I like Jack in the Box for the variety of items. The heater fan does make a little noise, but, and the door needs a new seal. I know that, because it leaks a little water in there, so we need a new seal. Dang it, you just... Alright guys. That's a little different experience, and I am not, I should say not surprised that they try to keep up with what car's what when you got DoorDash coming in and all that kind of stuff. Wow. So I got a buttery Swiss that they have there, buttery Swiss bird. And if you're gonna get one burger from there, I'd recommend that one. It's hard to not be mobile, and I don't like asking people just to, hey, just take me here, just because I want to get out or whatever for the while. So a little fast food joint, so that's always cool. But like I said, we're gonna probably be going to lots of places this summer. I hope you have a lot of fun this summer. I hope to do a lot of things this summer. And just getting the car going, getting the van going now, and we'll get it all dialed in and all that kind of stuff. I'll call some places probably on Monday if I don't hear back from an email, and just see about getting, getting the oil changed and the brakes checked and everything, because that's really what I need to do. This was fun to take you guys on this little trip. Here, like I said, I want to get some new clothes, but I figure instead of getting shirts about whatever or from whatever, I'd like to get shirts and support people that I know that are creators. So if you have a store and you have shirts, okay, and you leave a comment, so maybe this will be its own video, I don't care, it's just me going to the, but you leave a comment, and what I'll do is the people that leave a comment, if you have a store or whatever, I'm going to try to start buying like a shirt or a couple of shirts a month from different people, and start wearing those as shirts. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to get one of your shirts. I think that's the fairest way to do it, is the people that comment that are watching or whatever, if you have shirts, and then I'll go from there. But I think that's what I want to do as far as getting clothes go, because I do want to get new clothes, but I think that's a cool way to do it. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.